So now let's talk about multiplying out polynomials. I'm actually not going to show the FOIL method. You've probably seen it before. I'm going to show a method that uses a rectangle to actually do this. Some people really like this, some people don't, but I find it to be really useful to multiply this way, so when we unmultiply or factor, we can use the same basic strategy. So let's go ahead and dive into this. So I'm going to go ahead and create a rectangle, and since I have two terms in my first polynomial there, I'm going to create two sections for it. So this side of the rectangle is equal to 2x minus 3. And then you're probably guessing the other side of the rectangle also needs two spots, and it's going to be 4x plus 5. And now I just have to find the area of each one of these rectangles if I want to solve this. So for example, I have 2x and 4x here, so I'm going to end up with 8x squared. And then I just go through and do that for all of them. So 2x times 5 is 10x, and we have 4x times negative 3 is negative 12x, and then lastly we have negative 3 times 5 gives me the square down here of negative 15. And I'm going to make sure that I'm doing this properly here, where I combine everything together and I get 8x squared, so that's this part here, and then I'm going to take the diagonal here, and negative 12x plus 10x is just negative 2x, and lastly I take that last piece there, the negative 15, and minus 15. And these two things are equivalent, so I put my equal sign right in the middle there. That's how you can multiply out a polynomial using a rectangle.